Hi, I'm Brian. Welcome back to another On the Road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Stop! Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Okay, today we're looking at a Maytag French door refrigerator, and the complaint is that the fresh food section is a little too warm. Today we're going to be replacing our electronic control to correct warm temperatures in the refrigerator. The tool needed for this repair is a 1/4-inch nut driver. We're at the back of the refrigerator, and our electronic control is going to be located underneath our condenser cover here in the back right corner. Alright, to remove our cover, we're going to remove some 1/4-inch screws that hold it in place. And we're just going to slide the cover out of the way. Alright, there's 2 1/4-inch screws to remove here that hold the control board and bracket onto the cabinet. And now we can slide this out. Alright, there's 3 1/4-inch screws to remove to separate our housing and gain access to our control board. And now there's these tabs to release. Oh, there's 1 more 1/4-inch screw, so 4. Now we can remove that. And inside here we have our control board. We're just going to release all the wiring harnesses here by pushing in on the tabs and pulling straight off. Alright, we're just going to push in on this tab to release it from the board, and we're going to lift out on the board and remove it. Alright, now we can reinstall our new board. There's going to be this notch on the board here that's going to line up with the tab on the bottom here. So we're going to go ahead and set that in first. Once you get the bottom in, you can swing the top over and press in until it snaps that tab in place there. Alright, now we can reinstall our wiring harnesses onto the new board. And now reinstall the cover. Snap all these tabs in place, and then reinstall our 4 1/4-inch screws. Now we can place the control assembly back into the cabinet. And reinstall our 2 1/4-inch screws. Okay, next we can install our cover. And that completes your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.